Hello guys,
Hello, we are rehearsing.
we are here in Hawaii.
Honolulu, the Hilton Hawaiian Village, and we are getting ready for our show tonight for all of you. Right?
Hilton Honors, and it's an honor to be here. So, kung kayo ay hindi pa nakakapunta rito, for the first time magpunta kayo rito because nandito kami tonight.
It's a beautiful hotel, a beautiful venue. I'll show you.
Kailan ba natin
I'll show
palabas
you.
na yun?
Yeah.
Alright.
There, that's the venue. And after this, we have one last show in
Last
Vancouver.
show.
Have you rested? Because every day we've been flying 3 days in a row. And I woke up kanina, oh my God. Then I said, ay, walang flight.
Then, nung bumaba ako nga galing sa plane, nagland kami dito, binaba ko maleta ko, naglakad na ako sa beach.
Kako kagabi.
Miss ko na.
Ikaw earlier, no?
Miss ko na ang beach. So, sa beach ako kanina. Alright.
Yan. Ay, the light
Ayan, yan,
there.
yan, yan.
Ako kagabi, naglakad kami nila Nancy. So, after this, we'll have at least 2 days to rest
Yes, and then we do a show again.
in Vancouver. Then we go
Vancouver.
home. And
Yes.
finally, we will fly home together.
At magkita-kita na lang ho tayo sa ating mga ginawang o kayo, mga ginawa nilang mga clippings, nalagay nila sa YouTube, sa Instagram, para naman maalala nyo kami even when the shows are over.
Yes, and we go back to our real lives.
Yes.
We'll have fond memories of you and this tour.
But we're already making plans.
Yes, we have many plans for all of you, our fans. So, abangan nyo na lang po
So
yun.
it's gonna be fun.
Yes.
So, walang iwanan.
Yes.
Babalik ko
And we
tayo.
love you very much. Thank you for never leaving us kahit
Yes.
kami laging magkasabay na magawa ng work.
Sundan po ninyo yung kanyang Instagram because meron siyang mga linagay doon. Meron din ako mga linagay sa aking
Right.
Instagram.
And
That's
thank you.
very memorable.
And thank you to all our fans who just always edit those videos and they're so cute. We see them. We just don't have the time to really go through each and every one and thank you all. But thank you so much. We love you.
So much. We love you. Take care because
We care. See you Hawaii
Okay,
later.
bye-bye. See
We
you
love
later.
you. Bye.